Hello, good morning. My name is Khushbu. I'm team leader on Banke International Property. Here, Mr. Prasanna is the senior VP of the eMudra. Today, we are discussing different perspective on the real estate market from investor and broker point of view. And answering the big question, is it now right time to invest?
Yeah, first of all, thanks, Kushi, for inviting me for this broadcast. And I would guess that this is the right time to invest, definitely. Yeah, Dubai market.
Okay. Can you tell us a bit about your background and how long you are in Dubai?
Yeah, Kushi, I've been in Dubai, living in Dubai from last 20 years. And I've been investing in the real estate market post to COVID. And yeah, so far it's a great experience in Dubai.
How would you describe your investment strategy? Like rental income, long term income, or short term income?
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the kind of the cash flow, what you see in terms of your revenue, and at the same time, the right opportunities on the off plan. And I would probably guess that buying the off plan property at the right areas would be the best strategy for any real estate investor here.
What type of properties you focus on?
Well, at this stage, I focus on the 2 BHK apartments, the good ones, the good branded 2 BHK apartments, plus certain areas like Dubai South or Arjan or Furjan kind of areas. But again, at the end of the day, it depends on my ability to take risk as well as my cash flow forecast, right? So the ability to basically fulfill the off-plan needs, and on the top of it, the ability to split, the flip is something which is quite important to plan well.
From your experience, what Dubai make attractive from other global market?
So I've been living in Dubai from 20 years. Before that, I already lived in different part of the world, including India, US, and Europe. But I see that Dubai gives unmatched quality of life in terms of work as well as living, and at the same time, even the cost of living is still lower than some parts of the the world, and at the same time, it's a secure place. So, at the same time, it connects to all over the places in the world, and it connects to my home country quite well. It's just a 3.5 hours flight. So that way, I see Dubai as a safe place and the right place for investment.
Now that the region is recovering, how is the market responded now the things are stabilizing?
I think it's responding quite well because the situation has shown the resilience of UAE for such kind of situations. In fact, in the last 2 months, all of us were safe, all of us were quietly protected, and there was no dearth of any supply. So I would see that it's a positive point to really invest for anybody for that matter in this market, because this is at this stage in situation, I think the current problems are settling down, and it was just a momentary, I guess. It is still to it's now stabilized, I feel. At the same time, I think it's the right time for anybody to invest.
From investor perspective, what signals tell you it's good time to enter in the market?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the current signals, in terms of the social media or any of the, the trends, what you see in the newspaper, etc., I felt that, yeah, there is a bit of a, shake-up in the market. But I feel that this is the right time to, invest, because the current situation is, we see that current situation is definitely stabilizing. And of course, the property prices here are not still to reach, to that extent of any of the, the great cities in the world. So I definitely encourage anybody to invest in this, region at this stage.
As per my perspective, people are thinking long-term stability and family stability. You can say rental income. They are only focused on that nowadays.
Yeah, of course, because see, Dubai, as I said, it gives unmatched quality of life comparing to some of the other part of the world. And me being an Indian, like India is so close to, it's just a 3 hours flight. So obviously, I would look at this place as a, more stable place. And with the current situation and the kind of resilience what UAE has shown, and definitely we can believe in investing here in this part of world. Definitely, yeah.
So I just want to know, okay, what are the biggest opportunity right now for the investment?
Yeah, I think Dubai has already announced a new airport. I think that's the place where everybody need to be in, because I'm 200% sure that by 2032, they will have the new airport. Because I've been traveling a lot, and today, when I come out of business trip, I definitely feel that the current airport is completely, jam-packed. So definitely there will be a moment. I feel that place would be the right place. This is one of the places, of course. Of course, there are many other places. As of now, this place comes to my mind.
Okay. What is the one tip you have to give someone to looking for the investment today?
Yeah, I mean, they just look at, they have to look at the right, the place to invest, or right location to invest, and right developer, right, size, whatever they want, depending upon their risk-taking ability and the cash flow strengths. Yeah, so Kushi, on the other hand, I would like to, take your advice on a couple of things. So you've been dealing with, the real estate market as a broker from a reputed company, which is Banke. So you've been seeing different profiles of the customers. So what would be your tip today for a person like me, like whether to continue investing in the region, or, slow down a little bit, or, just tell us your views, for an investor like me.
Okay. So as per my opinion, we can say right now long-term investment is good. If you have an investment in offline, this must be good because it will be coming on like 3-4 years. So it will be stabilizing. Add on that, if you have a rental income properties, that must be good because it's already giving you good ROI. So we don't have to flip on that.
Yeah.
We can't invest in the short-term properties because like right now the situations is little bit different, but it's a bit stable soon and we can get more recoveries.
Yeah, I would say instead of situation, it is a thinking in terms of analyzing the situation slightly different.
Yeah.
So the situation, as such, we came out of the situation, I guess, but at the same time, the thought process about the situation, whether the situation is going to repeat or, going to stabilize, is some question which, as a long-term investor, anybody will have in their mind.
People believe in UAE, so definitely it will be stopped soon, and we will get the very good market, and like already so many big transactions started. So I think market is good now. Thank you, Mr. Prasanna. Thank you, viewers, to watching the Banke podcast. Stay tuned. See you for the next time.